Ever wondered how entire highways seem to appear overnight? These aren't ordinary machines. They're massive, intelligent giants transforming road construction forever. From concrete cutting beasts to self-driving pavers, this is the future of building the world we drive on. Stick around. You're about to see engineering like never before. First up, let's tackle a common but surprisingly complex problem: repairing manholes. Traditional methods are messy, labor-intensive, and dangerous for workers. Fortunately, new methodologies are changing the game. The most challenging stage is removing the frame embedded in the asphalt. Enter the manhole frame cutting attachment, Gold Series 6-shooter. It's like a giant industrial-grade cookie cutter for roads. Instead of chaotic jackhammering, this attachment, used with a mini-loader, cleanly cuts the asphalt around the manhole. This precision drastically reduces waste and makes the entire procedure more cost-effective. Its cutting diameter is adjustable, from 70 to 150 centimeters, and an optional handle can expand it by another 30 centimeters, making it incredibly versatile. With a cutting depth of up to 50 centimeters, its powerful blade can slice through both asphalt and concrete, turning a grueling task into a swift, surgical operation. Now, look at this specialist machine. This is the Concrete Barrier Paving Machine, Gomaco 4400. Designed to create those continuous safety barriers you see on highways. Powered by a 99 horsepower engine, it operates at a speed of 11 meters per minute. The manufacturer offers additional molds, allowing this single machine to construct not just barriers, but also parapets, sidewalks, and curbs. Its genius lies in its exclusive control systems that manage the leg's direction, height, and width, ensuring perfect placement every time. These barriers are critical, preventing deadly crossover accidents. The machine can produce a wall up to 1 meter high, with a paving width of 2.5 meters, making the Concrete Barrier Paving Machine, Gomaco 4400, a cornerstone of reliable, safe, and productive road construction. From roads to waterways, efficiency is key. This is the Bucket Chain Canal Excavator Alcon Series L, a machine designed for constructing large canals over 9 meters wide. Its defining feature is its ability to replace multiple standard excavators, dramatically improving work quality by performing operations faster and more accurately. Why is this important? It precisely shapes the channel's form, which reduces concrete losses during the lining phase and improves water flow. With a power of 300 horsepower, it can excavate up to 180 cubic meters of soil per hour, depending on the surface strength. In a single pass, it can dig 3 meters deep, operating at up to 7 meters per minute. The buckets even have interchangeable teeth, a simple but brilliant feature that significantly extends the machine's service life and keeps it digging longer. Creating machinery like this next one would be impossible without decades of experience. Built on 50 years of innovation, the Smart Road Concrete Paver, Gomaco GP3, stands as one of the most intelligent concrete pavers in the world. It's designed for paving surfaces up to 9.14 meters wide and adapts to any width within that range with incredible ease. It features the Smart Telescoping System, which precisely expands the frame and automatically adjusts steering settings based on user parameters. Its sensitive sensor system ensures peak productivity and optimizes fuel consumption. This machine is a chameleon. Almost every part is adjustable, allowing it to be tailored to any work task and condition. It even controls its own speed and width automatically, making the operator's job easier and boosting overall productivity. The track supports can even rotate, allowing for continuous concrete paving in the most extreme conditions. That level of automation is mind-blowing. What other job do you think could be fully automated by machines like this? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. When the project is massive, you need a machine to match. This is the Large-Scale Asphalt Paver Vögele Super 3000-2, the largest in its lineup and an incredibly powerful, versatile machine. With a staggering paving width of up to 18 meters, it is the go-to for major projects like highways and airport runways. It's also used for constructing thick, frost-resistant aggregate bases, a critical feature in colder climates to prevent the road from buckling under freeze-thaw cycles. Despite its enormous size, carrying an operational weight of 32,600 kilograms, it retains the brand's hallmarks of robustness, reliability, and ease of operation. It can handle lean concrete, asphalt, and aggregates, all while delivering a smooth, densely compacted surface. Its advanced drive system ensures every component performs optimally, even under constant heavy loads, paving at up to 24 meters per minute. Imagine commanding a beast like that. If you find these engineering marvels as fascinating as we do, give this video a thumbs up to let us know. But not every job needs a giant. Flexibility is just as important. The wheeled asphalt paver, Volvo P6820D, embodies this principle. This highly maneuverable and compact machine combines exceptional power with durability. Built on a wheeled chassis, it features a 13-ton hopper and provides a maximum paving width of 9 meters. Its wheeled design gives it a major advantage in mobility, allowing it to travel between job sites much faster than a tracked machine. The paver is equipped with a 3-point balancing system and self-leveling hydraulic suspension to stabilize the ride. Large front wheels and a torque distribution control system prevent wheel slippage under load, ensuring maximum traction. Powering it is a 129-kilowatt Volvo D6J diesel engine that meets modern environmental standards. When space is the ultimate constraint, you need a specialist. This is the Compact Asphalt Paver Vögele Super 800, a next-generation technology defined by its compact dimensions. The overall width of this paver is just 1.4 meters, narrow enough to fit through a standard doorway. Despite its small size, it can lay several tons of asphalt per hour. These dimensions are its superpower, enabling it to operate in extremely limited spaces, like repairing a narrow historic city street without shutting down traffic entirely. This machine is used for constructing and repairing utility lines, small roads, and creating bike and pedestrian lanes where larger machines simply cannot go. It's a perfect example of how specialized design solves unique construction challenges. Finally, what if you could repair a road without tearing it up? Sometimes when damage is minor, a full replacement isn't necessary. Instead, the Pavement Preservation Coating Machine is used to apply a special preservation layer. It might look like the road is just being painted, but this layer is a high-tech shield made of acrylic, polyurethane, and other polymers. Think of it like applying an industrial-strength sunscreen to the road. It bonds the surface, conceals seams, and shields the road from sun, rain, and ice. This preventative maintenance saves taxpayer money by extending the road's life for a fraction of the cost of repaving. A massive tank moves slowly, distributing the material evenly. After this treatment, the road can often be reopened the very same day, minimizing disruption for everyone. Every day, millions of hours are lost to traffic jams. But what if the road itself could adapt? This is the Lane-Adjusting Movable Barrier System, a brilliant solution to this global problem. Its structure allows for the swift adjustment of the dividing barrier between lanes. Think of it as a zipper for the highway, reconfiguring the number of lanes in each direction to match the flow of rush-hour traffic. The machine is a powerhouse, lifting concrete barrier segments that weigh up to 450 kilograms each and transferring them to the other side. It operates at speeds between 8 and 16 kilometers per hour, all while moving within a single lane, so it doesn't disrupt the traffic around it. This is a glimpse into the future of smart highways that adapt to our needs in real time. From massive pavers to futuristic road tech, these machines are building the future, 1 mile at a time. If this blew your mind, drop a like, subscribe, and let's keep exploring the world of engineering together.